Okay.
Okay. I don't think on Facebook or Insta you have to record it automatic.
Yeah, that's automatic. That's all.
Okay, no wonder. I just forgot.
YouTube.
So, how powerful is your mind? And who created that? Where did it come from? That monkey mind.
We only खुद को क्रिएट किया तो मंकी माइंड में तो हमने ही क्रिएट किया ना सब कुछ तो हमने.
So basically, mind is also energy which is present all around us.
Exactly. Yes, Dimple?
And also that we perceive so many other people's what's going on in their world, and we are perceiving that and we're not even aware of it. Now that the awareness has come, there are times when you know this and you suddenly ask, oh, who does this belong to? Oh, mera hai hi nahi. Still I'm sort of, buying it.
I know. We use the mind to create the pretense of living, right? Rather than having a life.
Yeah.
I mean, we are so much into that we think we are living. If you didn't have that, if you knew not, or if you didn't create that, of course, I will not negate it totally. It is required for mechanical work. You're driving your car or you're cooking. You don't even know you put the salt and you have. That also is required. People are required to do your work from morning to evening without, with functioning in their mind. That's also good. But how much are you aware of where to use it and where to not? Where to bypass it?
Yeah, may I just
Yes.
share something?
Yes.
So yesterday I was reading about someone, and that trigger came. Oh, dekho, wo kahan hai, tum kya kar rahe ho? All of that came into me. And because of the awareness, probably, I won't say 10-second increments, but I'm still in those 50 seconds, probably. So before a minute elapsed, and I was like, okay, so where is this coming from? And instead of, being that thing, ki, wo idhar, main idhar, and I have so many judgments, I just started asking, ki, can I have that too? Universe, I'll have that too. One was able to change the energy, and that is something that I really acknowledged, and I patted myself. Yeah, good. Now you got it. So in less than a minute,
Exactly.
probably, I was able to change that energy.
Awesome. How does it get any better than this? Isn't it
I
funny?
cover many times. हमारा वो सर्कस होता ही नहीं, हमारा मंकी होता ही नहीं. She said, like, thoughts तो कहाँ से, not only from this lifetime and not only from the people living in this lifetime or breathing entities, and also from other lifetimes, other galaxies. कहाँ से आते हैं खुदा जाने. But it's okay, we know that this जो हम 99% inner chatter, monkey mind, यहाँ वहाँ तितर बितर हमारा है ही नहीं. That in itself, empowers us that we can give it back. जब हमारा है ही नहीं तो रख के क्या, just because free में बट रहा है ले लो, वो doesn't work for us.
बिल्कुल फ्री में बटला तो ले लो, and not even knowing it. We were at the lake. We were at the lake today in the morning. Rotary people sponsored our program. We ran, I don't know how many people's bars. And there was another setup going on there. And since morning we were feeling thirsty. And of course, we took some bottles and things like that with us to eat, to drink. But there was another something going on with, they were giving big boxes of some breakfast or something like that. So two of us, Jasleen and me, were walking and said, "Chal try karte hain, ye dabba mil jaye." Free ka dabba mil jaye. Unhone kaha, "Do you have a coupon?" We didn't have the coupon. We didn't get it. And I did not even feel embarrassed or felt stupid. Or I said, "Pushne mein kya harj hai?" There were about 20-25 people looking at me when I said, "Pushne mein kya harj hai?" Nahi mila to na sahi. And that freedom that you get, otherwise your head would hold you. What? You're 74 years old. You go and ask for a box. Are you You're hungry. I mean, what are you trying to prove? Do you really want it? I mean, just for fun of it, you can do anything and you can shut your monkey mind. That
So
monkey
true.
mind didn't have any place.
I know ये questions access में बोल के कि questions पूछो. तुमने पूछा ना जाके ये can we have a वो एक question in itself is so empowering and it doesn't
Yeah.
with no point of view. हाँ बोल दिया तो ठीक है, ना बोल दिया तो ठीक है. You know, it's
मैंने
really.
कहा वो एक डब्बा
so
हमें
much.
भी दे, एक डब्बा हमें भी दे दो. मैंने बोला वो क्या? She looking at me and said, आपके पास कूपन है? मैं क्यों, आप कूपन के बगैर वो बूढ़ों को नहीं देते? So she said नहीं देते. She had the cheek. I would have at least given it. But she had the cheek. But I didn't. I enjoyed. The person who was with me was feeling embarrassed कि ये क्या कर रही है बुढ़िया? I have fun everywhere. Whatever people may say. Shut up, the monkey mind. Monkey mind knows इसने सुनना नहीं है. So how much fun can you have if you did not have a monkey mind stopping you? Unfortunately, we would create a machine that's not working for us rather than create a machine that works greater. Right? We have to create a faulty machine to make sure we would never be controlled totally. Otherwise, see, we can change it now. So it is not that you can't change it. There are always possibilities. So any questions?
And how empowering is it, Kamal, that we know that we have the power? Rather than, like वो पत्ता होता है ना जो बेचारा पानी में बह रहा होता है, उसको कहीं भी ले जाती है वो नहर. So now we know that yes, we have the power and it gives so much,
Honestly.
empowers a lot.
Yeah. We can get through our life having fun rather than be controlled by it.
Yesterday only it happened. There was a lot of acidity. I mean, like, इतना ज़्यादा था that I एक बार thought में आया कि I need to be rushed to hospital. Heart attack तो नहीं हो रहा. Too much of uneasiness. बहुत ज़्यादा तबीयत खराब थी. So I just started using tools. Who does this belong to? What is it? I mean, like, endless tools मैंने use करे होंगे to get over it. And that was something really empowering. नहीं तो पहले वाला जमाना होता तो ये लगता था कि चलो भैया एक टेबलेट दे दो और talking to body and what not I used. And within half an hour I was like, okay, yes, I'm good. That is the
Honestly,
power.
it's so amazing the tools that we have. It's really, really amazing. And then we use it. There's some people who have the tools but don't use it. So it's a pat at the back that we use the tools. We can handle anything. There is nothing impossible. Everything is possible. This mind is like a structure, that we have constructed so solid that we couldn't go. And how this structure has broken with the tools that we have. Could you ever think you would get out of it? Did we ever know that there was another choice?
Not at all. It's like we are the chosen few. ऐसे लगता
Yeah,
है.
really.
सारी दुनिया को पहले क्यों नहीं पता था? चलो ठीक है, अभी पता चल गया. But you always never ever. Well, you must be asking for it subconsciously somewhere. There should be some other way. That's why we are here. हमने मांगा होगा जरूर.
Yeah, बिल्कुल मांगा होगा. We knew that there was another possibility. We knew this wasn't it. This is not it. There has to be something else.
Yes.
Hi, Sareb. Lovely to have you here. Oh, there is nobody on Facebook. How does he get any better than this? So, come on. Hi, Nippy. Smona,
Hello.
Rupal.
I've been missing Dimple a lot.
I know we've
Ah,
all been missing Dimple a
nice.
lot.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
exactly. So nice to see you today.
Thank you. Thank you. मैं देख रही हूँ कि इसमें ऐसे ही लाइव पे आ सकते हैं क्या? बैठे तो हैं।
किस पे आ सकते हैं?
फेसबुक लाइव पे भी साथ साथ चल सकता है क्या?
Why
Ah,
not? Please.
Instagram पे भी चल सकता है. I just saw it on my phone. You can see it
There
on
is
Instagram.
somebody in on Instagram,
Yeah, I just saw
but there
it
is
like
nobody on Facebook.
it's
Let's
okay.
change the
Well,
energy.
कैसे
Let's
जाना
change
होता
the
है
energy of
Facebook
What's right about it? What's
yeah,
What's
right?
right
and
about it?
also entities होंगे ना, देख रहे होंगे.
अंजना, फेसबुक पे लाइव पे कैसे जाना है? फोन हाथ में रख के क्या करूं?
एक ही से दोनों पे कैसे जाओगे?
नहीं, मैं लैपटॉप पे हूँ तो जूम पे हूँ।
फोन पे हो सकते हो.
फोन के ऊपर आके
I've got both my phones on and my laptop on.
तो फेसबुक पे
social, I
जाके
like it.
सर्च करो कमल बसूर लाइव ना.
Join. हाँ,
कमल
join
बसूर।
कर लो कमल साहब.
नहीं,
हाँ.
वो तो कमल का तो पेज आ गया, लेकिन
लाइव लिखो वहां किधर सर्च पे.
अच्छा, ओके, ऑलराइट,
So you have one person, you have
यस,
one
हाँ.
person, you have with the same mind in two ways.
मैंने कहा कमल
Come
कह
on,
रही है
guys,
कि
questions.
कोई नहीं है, आ जाते हैं इसमें क्या?
Questions. Monkey, nobody has monkey mind here. I don't know why I chose this topic for access people. They've gone beyond monkey mind.
We are going. We are, work in progress. Going beyond.
Yeah, and come on, don't go to conclusions. अभी आएंगे.
Hey, Kamal, don't go to conclusions. I like that.
हम ही सिखा रहे. कमल से सीख के हम कमल को ही सिखा रहे हैं ना. How does it get
कहते ना
implemented?
मेरी
Some
जुत्ती
good
मेरे
students.
तो क्यों इतनी अच्छी तरह सिखाया कमल? It's not right.
I like that. The good students have gone beyond.
Live testimonials हैं कमल हम लोग.
हाँ, exactly, absolutely, I agree. Yeah, I testify. And also want to share something here. जैसे अंजना ने कहा ना, तो मेरे को परसों से इतना जुकाम, अभी हल्का है, but that's okay. So every time I used to say zukam, I just stop, Neera. I'm just saying that how tools, when you start using them, when you start using them, you become them, right? So I said, if I know not this, then what else is better? Anjala ne bhi kuch kiya, maine bhi, then we kept on. And aaj subah, I've been up since 4 o'clock, and I'm so happy I created the 4 o'clock getting up. अभी 2-3 दिन से. So I patted myself, and then I said, hey, है, पर I said, stop, Neera. अब चला गया तो उसको वापस बुलाना. I mean, how we go on autopilot, even when we are okay. Now we want वो पुराना कोड कहाँ गया, I said, no, you're out. I've locked it. I've locked the door. You're not coming back in. So I just wanted to share that the tools are miraculous.
They are.
Use them.
It takes no time to go back to collective unconsciousness.
Yes.
It takes no time to go back to functioning from thought, feeling, and emotions.
Because that's so auto, it's like breathing is so simple.
हमारी पतली शादी.
Rupal,
क्या?
You have a question, darling? Hi, Renu. Lovely to have you here. We miss you. Renu Dhingra.
रेनू जी को देखे हुए मुद्दत हो गई. रेनू जी, please switch on your camera.
Renu is on Insta Live.
अच्छा.
Oh, Renu is requesting to be on the live. Okay, you're coming on live video. Renu, I have clicked. Come on, live video. This is so much of fun.
It's like Kamal, it's like वो जो हमारे हिंदी सीरियल्स नहीं होते, नहीं
The camera is all over.
You have the Instagram.
Yeah, and
I just realized that yesterday I was, yeah, I was watching one facilitator. वो पहले यहाँ फिर यहाँ फिर यहाँ. मैंने कहा वो कैसे पहले कसौटी जिंदगी और whatever those serials were, वो already doing this. नहीं 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 वही कर रहे हैं हम लोग यहाँ, right? How lucky we are to have so many, types of medium where we can talk and we can share our
Be
experiences.
born at this time is, I think, amazing.
Amazing.
I have seen that time. I'm seeing this time, and I'm going to see the next.
Yes, of course you are.
How cool is
And-
that? Oh, somebody's
Yeah,
come.
and
Some hi, is that somebody coming on live? Renu?
Renu's there.
Renu is coming. Yay! How are
Coming
you,
live with
Renu?
you.
Can't see you, darling. Hi, Renu. She's trying. We are all learning. I don't know how long it took me to get
Yeah,
this.
exactly.
रेनू का camera needs to be adjusted now. उनका opposite side पे I think.
I know.
So she has to change her.
Tell her, call her and tell her. So,
I'll
I
let her
think
call.
we are enjoying these more than we are talking about monkey mind.
Yes. And Kamal, one more thing I noticed, I mean, most of us must have noticed that yesterday when I was taking a walk, I mean, everyone, like even the चौकीदार, हर घर के बाहर एक गार्ड होता है, एक उसका फ्रेंड होता है, सबके हाथ में फोन, and they're laughing or they're enjoying something, and I felt so good. I said, universe, किधर ना किधर तो कहाँ ना change नहीं तो और क्या है? Your maids have a phone, and if you have no point of view कि तुम फोन ही देखते, it's
आप
okay.
तो
I mean,
चल-
of course काम करने के बाद है, पहले का, हाँ. But I'm just saying that how beautifully, if we truly tap into the consciousness of the universe, सबका ध्यान रखा, सबका, and तो दो फोन है, दोनों पॉकेट में होते हैं. So I mean, miracle नहीं तो और क्या है? किसी ने
Miracle.
कभी सोचा था ऐसे कि हाथ में कुछ होगा, तुम देखोगे और तुम्हारी
Hi,
दुनिया
Renu.
बदल
She's joining.
Renu's here. Oh, she's gone again. Sorry.
She's doing it.
Hi, lovely to have you here, Renu.
Hello.
Hi,
Yeah.
how are
Yeah.
you?
How are you, Kaval?
I am good, darling, missing you.
Yeah. So I'm here.
Yes, thank you. So अभी monkey mind अभी भी चलता है कि चला गया?
Chala gaya.
Awesome.
Chala gaya, but still it's still there.
I know it comes back again if you choose unconsciousness. For everybody it does. So tell me, how many of you feel like you have stepped out of the collective viewpoints or the monkey mind since you have been doing Access? Hi, Mansi.
A lot.
A lot, yes.
So in which areas does it still function or holds you or takes you off your feet?
It's okay.
At night time, Kamal, before sleeping.
Okay, what happens before sleeping?
वो कुछ कभी कभी वो पड़ जाता है एक आठा.
So what do you do? You let it be like that? How long?
नहीं, बस ये होता है. ऑफ कोर्स वो तो चलता ही है, जैसे एंजला ने कहा कि कुछ हुआ तो फिर टूल्स अप्लाई किए तो कई बार वो काफी टाइम ले जाती है चीज. बस ये है.
Has it reduced? The
Yes,
more you have
yes.
stepped out of it, has your life gotten better, faster, easier, more dynamic?
Absolutely.
Has it changed? So can we focus more on that, please?
Yeah.
Because we
Thank
go 10 steps forward, and if not 10 backwards, 2, 3 backwards, we kept sabotaging ourselves. Keep trying to draw back into that collective viewpoints. and you start to see the rightness and the wrongness of things. What if everything was just fun?
Kamal, Gary also says, na, you acknowledge that you have come from A to B. So when you are at A से B पे आकर जब B पे acknowledge करते हो, तो A diminishes, and then that's the time to go to C, D, and so on. So
Exactly.
acknowledge the minutest of change that has happened in the life. Acknowledge that and see what else is possible.
What else is possible? Oh my God, thank you so much. And what else?
Wow, Angela. Good morning.
Hi,
Lovely.
Param, Zora.
Hello, good
Good to have you
morning.
guys here.
अंजला को कितना ज्ञान हो गया अंजला.
किसको नहीं हुआ
Hi,
परम?
Param, बहुत
किसको
लंबा
नहीं हुआ
time
ज्ञान?
नहीं सबको हुआ पर ये गहरी वाली बात अच्छी लगी सुनते सारे. Acknowledge. I mean, we keep on acknowledging you.
Yeah, you have to
Yeah,
keep on
lovely.
acknowledging and keep on changing.
Yes.
It used to
Hi,
be,
Ira.
Hi.
Long
I'd
time.
rather die than
Hi.
to let go of this head. Everything
Yes.
was here, all the answers were here. I mean, now it is like, shut up.
Yeah.
So how many of you would rather die than to lose your monkey mind? And what do you keep finding with that mind? Do you get somewhere?
That mind is a comfort zone ना, so कैसे जाने देंगे आसानी से? जाने ही नहीं देना, पकड़ के रखना है उसको तो हमने comfort zone
कितना
में.
कितना जाने दिया? कितना परसेंटेज जाने दिया?
काफी.
Can you pat yourself for that? What keeps you having a connection to that monkey mind? What is the fear?
I think fear, if I may say, fear is as if you're not going to be fitting in this world. You know, everywhere that we are trying to fit into the world again, the environment or everything around us, just to prove that, oh, you know, we are one of you.
Yeah, and fitting into this world
Also,
helped in
it's the
any way,
unknown,
Dimple?
unknown everything.
Neera, come to you just now. Dimple, did it help fitting into, is it helping fitting into this world?
No, no. पर कहीं ना कहीं वो validation, वो acceptancy, वो that is what keeps taking you back there.
Or picking up the thoughts, feeling, and
Rather than
emotions.
standing out from a crowd, right? You'd like to be just part of that. That's what is my take on it. My part.
I know the mind keeps telling you to maintain that connection with everything and everyone. It doesn't let you let go of.
कमल की आवाज
Mera
your
connection,
voice is
my
breaking.
connection is a little weak.
I think some-
Neera was
voice
saying
issue.
something, Neera.
I mean, we can't see you. Now we can see you. Yeah, so I was saying, Kamal, that it is the unknown, ना ये जो without monkey mind, मतलब एक ऐसा reality beyond this reality we are all stepping into. Of course, we are a part of this reality, not leaving it behind, not shunning it, not rejecting it, but we're now choosing a reality where the monkey mind में हमारे खुद के हमने वो thoughts डाले, oh I'm abundant, we know all that. So वो बड़ा unknown सा एक है ना, so वो एक fear है to go into the unknown. ये known था, you know, monkey mind किधर से भी thoughts आ रहे हैं, unaware, कुछ भी anti consciousness, it was so known, comfort zone, like so many of you, whatever you all said, fitting. And now to go into a reality which is just your own, your true reality is something so different. And right now, of course, for some of us, and we're all in and out, aate rehte hain, but we're still choosing it so exciting, so enthusiastically, a place that it's so empowering, actually, more than anything.
How many of you try being alone? Angela, let's go to Angela first. Angela, yes?
So that जैसे नीरज जी ने बोला, it's a no man land actually ना. आप जो आपका ये जो consciousness है ना, आप वहां सेंटर में खड़े हो और इधर जाना है या उधर जाना है, एक पैर उधर हो जाता है, कभी कभी एक पैर उधर हो जाता है. So वो जो है ना, once we are like, you know, now मतलब decide तो नहीं बोलूंगी.
Is it like building
Muscle.
a muscle?
मसल या इट्स लाइक बिल्डिंग अ मसल। तो पुरानी मसल को छोड़ने में थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, आई एम श्योर, लेकिन उसको हम दूसरी मसल से अगर ओवर पावर कर लें तो इट विल बिकम ईज फॉर अस।
Hasn't it become ease?
या इट इज लाइक मुझे थोड़ा बहुत भी होता है ना।
Is it now or is it far in the future?
हाथी चला गया पूंछ रह गई है, वो वाली स्टोरी है।
So being here, being grateful and asking for more, I would say is actually what suggestion. Yes, Nipi, you were saying something?
And after that me. Nipi, tu bol.
मैं यही देख रही थी कि कल को मतलब शुरू में जब ऐसे मुझे ये फील होता था कि एज इफ आई ऑन जैसे पानी में थोड़ी थोड़ी बर्फ बर्फ होती है तो नीचे कोई जमीन नहीं है, पहले मुझे ये लगता था एज इन दैट आई हैव लॉस्ट माय ग्राउंड, कि कोई द नियर एंड डियर वन एंड सो फॉर्थ। वो स्टेज निकली धीरे धीरे धीरे। अब एक स्टेज कल को आई आस्क्ड डियर वन टू जॉइन इन अ क्लीनिंग का प्रोजेक्ट घर में, ये ऐसे करना, तो वो उसने कहा मैं हाँ भी आई जस्ट जॉइन यू। तो वो उसके बाद वो हुआ ही नहीं, पर्सन डिडंट कम। फिर मैं 2 मिनट बाहर गई एंड तो वो चले गए। तो मैंने एकदम पहले तो वही मंकी माइंड, थोड़ी थोड़ी देर बाद वो चला कि लाइक कमाल है यार, यही नहीं किया, यही नहीं, है ना। तो फिर धीरे धीरे ऐसे आया कि लाइक यू जस्ट आस्किंग हैव यू एवर बीन अलोन, समथिंग लाइक दैट। तो मुझे एकदम लगा कि मतलब मेरी अपनी सारी किंगडम है, मेरे दिमाग की भी, मेरे आसपास भी। तो कहाँ अभी भी वो डिपेंडेंसीज जकड़ी हुई हैं, कि मैं दूसरा बंदा ये करे तो फिर मैं वो करूं। और उसमें एक और ब्यूटीफुल बात ये, एक तो ये है कि उस चीज को लेट गो कर दे, एक ये है कि उस बंदे के बारे में जजमेंट और रिजेंटमेंट को भी लेट गो कर दे। भाई ये नहीं है कि अभी नहीं आया तो अब तुम तब नहीं आए थे। तो वो क्लैरिटी आई, अपनी किंगडम एक्सपैंड हुई। मुझे लगा अकेले चाहे वो बड़ी रूटीन आई कि मैं अकेले आए अकेले जाना टाइप्स, तो मुझे लगा अकेले कितना एक्सपैंड करना है।
But is
so
that
awareness.
Is there any? Do you enjoy now going into the story?
So what
Yes,
it took me a time to articulate it in words. It wasn't a story, it was kind of an awareness कि अच्छा ऐसे, हाँ ऐसे, and then one could let go.
Yesterday 2 people were coming to my house and they were coming in a car, and the driver was that they called me up and said, oh, we have reached here. Oh, I said, oh, you've gone ahead, you should come back. So driver को बताना. Driver took up the phone and told me, ma'am, मैं तो इनको बोल रहा था जी, मैम तो इनको यहाँ से मुड़ने को बोला। मैं क्या, अच्छा जी कोई बात नहीं, उनको माफ कर देते हैं, उनसे गलती हो गई, अब हमें बताऊं आपको कहाँ जाना है। I wasn't even willing to hear a story. I mean, it was like, shut up, let's do what we need to do now. Rather than go into ऐसे हुआ फिर ये नहीं करा फिर वो नहीं करा. Like today, somebody said they'll be reaching at 5:15, reached at 6:20. We weren't boiling. We started doing what we were supposed to do. We weren't waiting. The person came and said, I'm so sorry. Said, don't worry, yaar, it's okay. It happens. नहीं तो यही एक स्टोरी कितने घंटे रन करनी थी दिमाग में कि इसने बोला ये था, मैंने सोचा मैं लेट हूं. I mean, it could have gone on anywhere. That's not a luxury anymore. That's such a problem. What is change really? It's just a different choice. When you make a different choice, you stand in a different place, space. You have a different point of view. Then the change doesn't seem very daunting. You can be at ease. It's a choice. What are you choosing? Are you choosing to give that a monkey mind so much of energy that it will fuck you up. Sorry for using that word. Not sorry. Anyway. But we used to enjoy doing that. So who all are okay with the change?
मैंने कुछ कहना है मैं उसके बाद
Yes, please go for it. Go for it.
You said ना that to be alone तो मेरे को आया कि you know like in the sense that ऐसे picture आ गई visual आ गया सामने. I used to love doing that maze वाला होता था ना mouse searching through cheese होती थी. I mean you know those puzzles sort of books you know. So all the time searching going through here and I came to that realization that perception that हम खुद को ही search कर रहे होते हैं वो तो अब सबको समझ आ गई. With access tools, you know, being alone when I am sitting in my room, it could be hours. The minute I tell myself that I'm magic and miracle, and I love being with myself, I expand, I read, I do whatever dance, कुछ भी कर रही हूँ, सुबह से वही कुछ ना कुछ कर रही हूँ. I totally am in gratitude for these tools because I've created this being by myself and
आप कट रहे हो नीरा?
And
Is she
now
cutting only for me or for everybody? Hello,
Can you hear
can you
me?
hear
All of
Neera?
you?
Can you hear all of you hear Neera?
Can you hear me?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes,
So
yes,
I
we
am
can
the I
hear
am
you.
the
I mean,
culprit.
see,
My
your
internet is the
your
culprit.
signal is weak.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, go for it, Neera.
क्योंकि वो you're on and off, you know.
Hmm.
So and then when you can be alone and you love your company, and of course you love others' company. It doesn't mean that I'm excluding others. But because when I want to go, I do call my husband up, or I go there and he comes. So whatever, I'm just saying, but to be by yourself and to create a space where you can be yourself, so much of gratitude, I keep on acknowledging that also, you know. To love being with yourself is also an acknowledgement. जो पहले तो पहले पता ही नहीं था to be with yourself का क्या मतलब भी होता है, you know, expansion and you know, oh my God, it's such a wonderful magic world. मैंने अभी ना वो बुक दोबारा खरीदी, Alice in Wonderland. मैं छोटी थी तो वो पढ़ती थी and I thought that only that book had all the magic, you know. वो छोटी हो जाती, बड़ी हो जाती, पिल खा लेती है, rabbit को मिलती. And I realized, oh my God, are we not all magical? How magical
We are. We just have to
that we
recognize
can
we are.
befriend ourselves.
Yeah.
And to be alone does not mean alone. The whole world is with you. And you still have you. So
And you can
exist
be
now in
alone
the
with
world.
20,
Don't
50
take it
people. Yeah.
Exactly.
It's just a monkey mind that tells you you're alone. An infinite being will be alone for what reason? And you are the universe. Where are you separating yourself? Yes, Manisha.
यस
Good
ये
morning.
मंकी माइंड मेरा कब चालू होता है तो मैं गुड मॉर्निंग ये मेरा मंकी माइंड तब चालू होता है जब मैं किसी का गॉड बनने की कोशिश करती हूँ, कोई भी हो. एंड जब ये स्टॉप करती हूँ तो फोकस खुद पे आता है और घबराहट हो जाती है, लेकिन ये काफी कम हुआ है एंड आई एम एंजॉयिंग माय कंपनी. सो थैंक यू.
Awesome. How does it get any better than this? Yes, Dimple.
Right. I have something to say, and that is a small request. Ki, okay, my mother had called up each way. So there are so many things which are going on in Delhi NCR region regarding, you know, various religions, the divisive thing. So there's a lot which is going on. So can I request everyone to give an energetic contribution to things just settling down? That's my request.
Okay, yeah, we can do
Because
that.
people here are
Also,
like, yeah. Whenever that we are ending the call, maybe then. Contribution that the earth requires, or probably the land requires,
Exactly.
to settle the unrest which is come by,
Yes.
and which is
And also-
populating to the masses.
So true. And also to the
Hi,
land of
Mona.
and also to the
Hi,
monkey.
Amrit.
Hi, we can hear you, Kamal.
Shubha. Krupal. Hi, guys. Listen, let's do it for what happened to your earthquake yesterday. I heard Delhi had earthquake.
At
Really?
least I didn't feel it. No, I just read it over WhatsApp. We didn't feel it.
No, I didn't even know. Because
Hmm.
पता नहीं थी.
But I felt last night around, I think 9 o'clock. I felt it's
Okay,
39.
9:30 or
अच्छा यहाँ पे
something.
तो नहीं मुझे
हाँ.
लगा, पर दिल्ली में न्यूज़ था अभी, दिल्ली में हुआ.
News पढ़ी है, like somebody sent a screenshot कि earthquake आया था or something like that, but nothing that was felt.
Okay, guys,
Yeah.
let's. Do you want to give it at the end, or you just energy when everybody is around?
Whenever you feel.
Let's do that.
Whenever
I
you.
thought, Kamal, let's do it. Let's do it now. Let's do it now. And also,
Okay.
like, to all the places, just strive here. Not only, I mean, of course, there also everything that earth requires, and also to have the land. जैसे हमने land बोला, ऐसे also the land of our mind. कितना strive चल रहा होता है. कभी कुछ, कभी इधर, कभी whatever you call it, strive or you call
So
it
whatever,
mind
whoever requires it, right?
whoever requires it, right?
I'm just putting my video off because I think my internet is just giving a little trouble. Okay, so spread your arms and collect all the energy that requires our sport and is asking for it. And everywhere people who resist change dynamically or wait until they are pushed, until they are sick of being sick, to choose it as and when it is required and as and when it will change. What do they know that they're not willing to know? What do we know that we are not willing to know? All that and whatever what I haven't even mentioned, and you all know, let's add on to it and let's give energy to whoever requires, the earth, people, places, things. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you, Dimple, for asking.
Thank you.
I think we are all in access. We know what this is, but this is just numbers which change energy. So if you do 1, 2, 3, you can change any energy. If you so desire, try it, have fun with it. These are different tools that we just try to have fun with. Hope you can join us having fun, because my life and our life is all about fun. Where can we have fun? What will give us more joy? Even if the monkey mind sometimes gives you joy and you want to sit and tear apart somebody, that is also okay, because there's nothing wrong or right, as long as you want to do it. Because in Access, we say if you're feeling sad, intensify it. Go for it. Make it more sad. Cry out loud. Do whatever you want till you're done with it. So you can choose anything. Nothing is out of bounds. I see a lot of people wait for excruciating pain or so uncomfortable that they have to force themselves into changing things. What if we didn't have to do that? What if you could just know from your awareness what requires change and say, change, 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 change. And that will do. I remember I did a class with, I've shared it with my group many times, with Carrie Gressel. Gressel, hai na? Haan. So she, I did foundation with my first foundation with her. And she said, she would just go in the class and change, 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 change. And I used to do change, change. She said, you just have to tell, you are the energy. You just have to tell change and everything will change. Why are we not doing something that we can with just because we can and just because it's fun? If it's time to change, when you become aware of it, just say change. That's all. Ritu, do you have a question, darling? Hi, Ritu. Okay. Anybody else has any question about monkey mind? Who enjoys sitting in monkey mind sometimes? Nobody?
Yeah, I think we all do. And juice मिलता है.
एक हमारा फ्रेंड होता था, वो कहता था चल बदखोइयां करिए. He used to enjoy doing that. So do it. Do everything till you are done with it. Nothing wrong, nothing right. If it troubles you, if you think it's enough, you don't want to do it, if you want to change it, you can. As easy as that. Dimple, you were saying something?
I said we all enjoy it. At least we really love to get the juice out of it, and we wallow in self-pity sometimes. So that is, and till such time, we are not questioning ourselves in order to come to the present.
Yeah.
Or whether we are into storytelling,
Exactly.
exaggerating and exponentializing whatever that little thing it may be.
Exactly. Are we done with it?
No,
So,
not really.
I want to say something here.
Go for it.
All right. First of all, happy Friendship Day to all of you.
Yes,
Present
please.
here.
And we were at the lake running bars. I don't know how many bars. I'll put the photographs in the group. Yeah.
Okay, awesome. So, Kaval, I would love to acknowledge here that it's so phenomenal to see जो लोगों के mind में the vibes that you're getting, the energy that you perceive, and whatever is coming out of my mouth of people is so different than what they're doing, and even their actions are very different. Sometimes it gives you immense joy, but certain times it is not giving you joy. So, what question has to be asked there?
Listening to people doesn't give you joy. What choice do you have? Do you need questions there? You have to take an action. You have to choose. What question would you ask? That they shouldn't do it, or that I should love them for doing it? I don't see any question there. I just see what action can I take.
Yeah, that's why I asked you this question. All right, thank you for picking it.
You're welcome, darling.
And also, Kaval, awareness to your allowance to be greater than your awareness. लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं वो अगर नहीं पसंद आ रहा है या पसंद आ रहा है दोनों में से एक or other things. Just मतलब if you keep on asking during the day, this is what I do, so I thought let me share that let my allowance be greater than my awareness. क्योंकि awareness आती है पर allowance को भी we have to let our allowance of what other people are saying, doing, being there in their reality also. So,
but that also works for you or not?
Yeah,
does it work for you to keep listening to their shit and sitting there? Is that allowance for you? Allowance is not for the other people. Allowance is also for you. Is it allowance for you to sit there and listen to their shit? If it's not working for you, you always have a choice. What choice can you make? And if you have to sit, then what Neera said, okay, if that's how they are. Is it affecting you? You're letting it affect you. You are the one who's making a choice. You are aware of what's happening, and you are the one who is choosing to trouble yourself because of what they are saying. Oh, that's an interesting point of view. They have that point of view. That is the question you could ask. If you really have to sit and you can't move, like if you're sitting sometimes you're sitting in the bus or a train and people are, my God, I stopped going by Shatabdi because bache itna, even in executive class, there used to be so much of noise. In the morning, this train starts here from 6:40. So you want to sleep, or you want to just have your cup of tea with these, and there's so much of noise in the train, you can't even get up and go. Then what do? You can ask your allowance to catch up with your awareness to catch up with your allowance to catch up with your awareness. And you can, it literally shut your mind. I have seen. You literally can, by just one question, it won't bother you. It bothers you because we keep running it in our head. देखो बच्चे कैसे लाए हुए ये बच्चों को संभालते नहीं है ये मैं शताब्दी में क्यों आए you know, that is what your monkey mind is taking you to. And you have a choice. You always have a choice. I started taking those ear plugs जो फ्लाइट में मिलते हैं, वो मैंने रखने शुरू कर दिए ट्रेन में डालने के लिए. Then I chose not to go on Shatabdi. I said, okay, what other choice do I have? So, okay, you can drive from home to the other place. Cool, let's do it. So what choices do you have? You always have questions. What are you choosing? What choices do you have?
Kaval, you said this. मेरे को एक incident याद आ गया. Share कर सकती हूँ?
Please go for
about
it.
the train. So we were catching this train. I think Amtrak है from New York to Washington. और I had no clue कि उस train के अंदर एक ऐसा room होता है. It's called the quiet room. You're not supposed to talk there at all. तो बच्चे नहीं आते उस room में. Whatever it's a compartment.
Wow.
And my husband and I, we boarded the train and we wanted to talk a lot about all the things we'd seen. So we sat in the quiet room. हमने देखा नहीं वहाँ लिखा होगा. We didn't even know it existed. And everyone is quiet and they're doing their work on their laptop and all that. And then we both started talking and then one person comes to, please see, quiet room. I said, oh, so we have to go to another noisy room. फिर हम लोग दूसरे compartment में गए. But
That's
such
a great idea.
मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा. I mean, why not ask for that for in our trains also here?
Yeah, that's another option. We don't have in India. You might have to travel abroad.
So right.
What would it take? What would it take for me to be somewhere where they have a quiet room if I have to travel? How does it get any better than this? And what else? Hi, guys. Have any question? We'd love to address. Or monkey mind. Thank you, Neera.
पता monkey mind कम हो गई इसलिए तो circuses बंद हो गए live वाले.
Exactly. Ritu, you have a question? Ritu's been unmuting herself, but she's not there, it seems. Anybody else has a question, guys? We just got 5 more minutes. Your mind tells you this is the only way. There is no other way. Yes.
So could you please, so can we just go over all the questions that we can ask ourselves in order to get back to the present moment? We can just go through all of them once more.
Yeah. Questions. They are really, really my saving grace. What are we not willing to choose? Have. Do you love yourself, guys?
Yes.
Just imagine you have a best friend, someone that would be with you and have your back and create a magnificent life together. What comes up? The partner that knows so intimately that you are in so much of sync with.
Gratitude, Kaval. Gratitude.
Okay.
Body. Kaval, I can see my body.
Yeah. And what? Awesome.
I can actually see a section of me standing just in front of me.
अच्छा बॉडी तो पहले आ गया था दिमाग में बॉडी को देख के ग्रेट हुआ है.
Yeah, that's your friend is going to be with you till you take your last breath.
Yes.
You already have the ideal mate, your soul mate. Somebody you were born with. And जितना भी बुरी तरह तुम ट्रीट करते हो उसको, वो आपको अनकंडीशनली लव करता है. And that is where you put your monkey mind into. And how much it separates you from you. if you were in sync with your body, would monkey mind have any space or place for you to not choose you? How often do you tell your body you don't like your body, you have complaints about your body, and then monkey mind, that's the best thing to play with you and fuck you up completely. Yes, Dimple.
I'd like to admit here that every time I visit a tailor, okay, so especially a boutique where you can talk, and जब वो measurements लेते हैं या कुछ होता है उस वक्त सारी judgments अपनी ही body पे आती हैं. I think boutique is that place, and वहां पे आके I think वो हमारी वो कलगी खड़ा होना चाहिए that what is it that you are doing? Why are you judging your own self?
Yeah, are you believing in the monkey mind? Is it taking you over? Is it separating you from the perfect or best friend you have, who always has your back? What are you doing? Poor thing has nothing to do but to create what you are telling it to create. You're saying your fat, says, okay, yes, sir. Says, ये समोसा खाओगे तो पेट खराब होगा, कहती yes, sir. ओ बारिश हो गई, अब ठंड लगेगी, अब स्वेटर पहननी पड़ेगी, नहीं पहनी तो बीमार हो जाएंगे. Yes, sir. Your point of view is what the body creates.
सबको जुकाम आ गया, अभी बोलेंगे ना, ये न्यूज है, आंखें खराब हो रही हैं, कोविड
I
आ गया.
know. 40 के हो गए ऐनक पहन लो, 80 के हो गए नी रिप्लेस करा लो. Shut the monkey mind. Have communion with your body, and what can you create together that nobody has ever thought of creating on planet Earth? How much fun can you have? Sorry.
Kaval, can I say something, or you
Yes,
wanna
please
say
go for it.
Yeah, since a few days, Kaval, I have been using this clearing statement every morning when I get up. I wonder if this can contribute to all of the people who are watching us here. So all the projections, expectations, separations, judgments, rejections I have of me and of my body, and other people have of me and my body, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? And Kaval, this has contributed a lot. It shuts off your monkey mind like this.
Yeah,
Just-
and keeps you fit.
Yes, true, very true. Very true with that.
Yeah, you're going to hang out with your best friend all your life. If you don't have a communication, you don't have a sync with it, what kind of a life will you have? You are more sync with this shit here up here that you have stored in, rather than the magic, the miracle walking that you are in. You've chosen to be in. Start acknowledging. Start acknowledging the magic that your body is. What possibilities could you invite into your life with a friend like that? Grateful to your body and co-create beyond your imagination. Look at the magic it is, the miracle it is. And everything that brought up, let's destroy and uncreate it all. Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, honor, shots, boys, POADs, and beyonds. Everywhere you think you are separate from your body, would you please give it up today, just now, right away, for all eternity? Everywhere you've given too much of importance to your monkey mind and you followed it to the T. Would you be willing to let that go and follow your awareness, which can create magic in your life, and has created magic in your life? Everything that brings up, let's destroy and uncreate it all. Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, honor, shots, boys, POADs, and beyonds.
Lovely to see Renu.
I know, lovely to see Renu and Dimple.
Yeah, दोनों गायब थे.
Oxy guys, it's 9-2.